Dare to mix and match. Embrace the eclectic fusion of styles, where vintage meets contemporary and traditional merges with modern. Picture an antique Persian rug adorning sleek hardwood floors, complemented by minimalist furniture and vibrant artwork. This juxtaposition creates a visually stimulating space that is uniquely yours. Less is more in the world of minimalist design. Streamlined aesthetics, clean lines, and clutter-free surfaces characterize this approach. But minimalism doesn't mean sacrificing functionality. Explore innovative storage solutions like hidden cabinets, pull-out pantries, and multi-purpose furniture to maximize space and efficiency without compromising style. Create cozy retreats within your home, where you can unwind and escape the hustle and bustle of daily life. Design a reading nook nestled by a sunny window, complete with plush cushions and a well-stocked bookshelf. Incorporate soft throws, ambient lighting, and aromatic candles to cultivate a tranquil atmosphere perfect for relaxation and introspection. Elevate your self-care routine with luxurious bathroom designs that evoke a sense of indulgence and tranquility. Imagine soaking in a freestanding bathtub with panoramic views of nature, or unwinding in a spa-like shower adorned with elegant fixtures and soothing color palettes. Incorporate plush towels, aromatic bath salts, and botanical accents to complete the sensory experience. Embrace sustainability in your home design to minimize your environmental footprint while maximizing efficiency and comfort. Explore eco-friendly materials like reclaimed wood, bamboo flooring, and recycled glass countertops. Harness renewable energy sources such as solar panels and geothermal heating to reduce reliance on fossil fuels. Incorporate green spaces, such as rooftop gardens and indoor plants, to improve air quality and promote a connection with nature. In the realm of home design, the possibilities are endless. Whether you seek eclectic creativity, minimalist serenity, or luxurious indulgence, let your imagination guide you as you transform your living spaces into reflections of your unique personality and lifestyle.